Hello, automation animal lovers. Welcome back to KT Sessions. Are you guys feeling a little bland with your plain text emails in Automation Anywhere A360? We get it. Sometimes we need to add a little visual flair to grab your audience attention or your client's attention. In previous video, guys, we saw how can we send multiple attachments, how can we send email, and in this video, we are going to see how can we craft beautiful HTML emails using A360. And if you are new in HTML, or if you want to delve deeper into the world of HTML, check out our video. You can find the link in the description box and also in the I button, and we will have you coding like a pro in just 15 minutes. So check out this video and learn basics of HTML. So guys, let me go to the control room. When we go to this email action, send email action, and here we can see we have three types of option in email body. So I am using the latest version of this package, so I can see this HTML design also, but I think in previous version it is not available. So make sure you are upgraded to the latest version of this package. If we write a plain text, so we can't use another editing features, but sometimes we want to highlight some text, we want to do some formatting in our email. So for that, we can use HTML. And if you don't have any idea of HTML, so you can use this HTML design feature. Here, some features are available of formatting. So like if I want to write an email like, hey, hi all. All right. So if I want to apply some formatting, for example, if I want to highlight this or bold this things, so I can use this one. And if I want to underline the text, I can use underline. We can decrease the size of the font. So for example, remove the formatting also. Okay, and we can give a link also, hyperlink. Okay, here we need to give a link and text to display. Okay, if it is a link of a file, so you can check this download link also. Let me click on submit. So here we go. We got this hyperlink. We can use this in our email body. So there are some features which we can use in this HTML design. But still, guys, all the features are not available. And if you want to make your email like this, so if you want to send an email which contains a table or which is like this email, so we can't achieve this using plain text or this HTML design text. Or if you want to send an email which looks like this, so we can't send the email with those plain text feature or HTML code feature, HTML design feature. So for that, we have to use HTML code only. So I have written some code of HTML. Let me show you. So I have written this piece of code, and in this I have applied CSS, and in the body of the HTML we have written some paragraphs and created a list, unorganized list or unordered list. And also we can add that hyperlink here also, show up now. And if I give the address or the URL, then this link will work. And we can change the colors, font size, font, we can change the background color, we can change the text decoration, we can add borders, we can add margins. So a lot of features are available in the HTML. So we can use all these features as per our requirements. All right, so just you should have some basic knowledge of HTML. So let me send one email. Okay, we don't have any update email. And here we go, we got one email. Let me open this. This is the hyperlink and that unordered list. So we can open this hyperlink also. So this is how we can add HTML in our email. Let me show you one more HTML code. And here we go, we can see this email. And this template is for error emails. So if you want to send any exception emails to the client or to the support team or to any other team, you can use this template. You can modify this template also. It will contain error description, error code or error line number. Whatever you want to add, you can add. So thank you guys for watching this video. Do let me know if you have any doubt or you need these templates. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.